sharing some words of wisdom coming from my Slavic granny. If you take an old piece of dog shit and you poke it, it'll smell for days. But if you leave it there, all dried up, it bothers no one, it just looks a bit unpleasant. Crudity aside, I guess what she was trying to say is, dwelling upon the past will only bring you suffering. Life happens in the now. Everything that ever was and ever will be is the present moment. Whenever I struggle, I think of these words. After all, she is a wise 88-year-old woman. Stay tuned, I'm persistent.